Hey guys, welcome back to CNC Outdoor Power Equipment. Today we're going to be talking about the Husqvarna Z248F. So this is a 48-inch. This is a special edition. What do you get for the special edition? You get the new redesigned seat. This is a medium back. You get the black clear-cut deck, which is going to be 10 gauge fabricated, as well as a limited lifetime warranty on that deck. You have your rear radial tires. So these are a little bit more aggressive. They are designed to be on grass. They're not going to tear it up just because they look a little bit more aggressive. They're going to give you a better ride and they're going to hold up better as well. Engine-wise, you have the Kawasaki FR651V. It's going to be 21.5 horsepower. Plenty of power for this machine. You're going to pair that with the Hydro Gear EZT transaxles. Those EZT transaxles are designed for residential use, anything from 0 acres to 2 acres. EZT is non-serviceable. So what does that mean? It means you're saving money on having to change out the oil and all that kind of stuff, which can get expensive on the bigger units. You have 6 different cutting heights over here. Hand operated. Some people prefer foot, some people prefer hand. It is hand right here. You have a 3-year warranty. Husqvarna does a great job on taking care of their customers. They take care of their dealers. We've been a dealer since 2006. Believe me, we've been through it, sold a lot of mowers. They do a great job. So again, 3 years on that, limited lifetime on the deck. You're probably wondering, what's the price? The price on this unit is $33.99. You cannot beat that price for the Kawasaki engine, the 10 gauge fabricated steel deck, 48 inches. You cannot beat that price. So if you're a residential homeowner looking to buy a zero turn this year, I highly recommend this model. If you have any questions, reach out to us. It also goes a long way when you like and subscribe to our channel. It keeps us going, able to produce more content. We're going to be doing a ton of video reviews. We're trying to grow, we're trying to learn, we're trying to be better at what we do. So thanks for watching.